390 Wagon Master here. I'm on a mission to clean my garage, and I found a box that I haven't seen in many years, probably a couple decades. I opened that sucker up, and here's what's in it. This is my second amplifier that I've ever had. My first one was a Pride 100, and I got rid of that. I traded it for an RC plane engine. That was really stupid, but you know what? 13-year-olds do stupid stuff. Anyway, a little while later, I got a hold of this. This is a Daytron or Dynatron 50. I don't remember. I actually had another one of these at one time, but I chucked it. Don't know why. This was my first mobile linear amplifier, in the sense that it was actually in my car when I first got my driver's license. I had this hooked up to an old Radio Shack sideband mobile D104 Minuteman, or I should say a static Minuteman mic. Now I know this worked. It boosted my signal. I honestly couldn't tell you. I don't even remember what this thing put out. But yeah, so I thought I was going to customize it, sand off the silk screening and stuff on the front and back, and get into my dad's label maker there. You know, remember, I did this probably when I was like 13 or 14 maybe. And yeah, anyway, let's see what's inside of it. I don't remember. I think it had these Allens in there originally. I'm not really sure. And by the way, I did not pre-loosen these or anything. This is just the way it was when I put it away. God knows how long ago I ditched this thing. No fuses. Bad Wagon Master. Bad Wagon Master. All right, let's see. Because I could lose like a milliwatt if I put a fuse in there, right? All right. Whoa. Any critters in there? Alright. No. I gotta put my bubbles glasses on to see what that tranny is in there. That is a CTC VIP. It's an M595. Well, I hope that sucker's not toast. Now, I believe it was either this one or the other one that I had that I used to love turning these little vari caps and spread out coils. I'm sure that was a harmonic beast. Okay, well, tell me what you think. You guys ever seen one of these before? And I don't currently have a low output radio around. I'm going to have to get a radio out. Maybe I'll hook it up to my President Thomas or something. But I'm sure this, you know, is probably half a watt drive or so. I don't really know. Maybe 3, mate, if you're out there, you can tell me what's going on with this. But I'm going to actually fire this puppy up. Yeah, I'm going to fuse it and fire it up. So stay tuned for that video. Please leave questions or comments down below. Cheers.